Today we are here at Echols Farm, built by Windsong Properties in Hiram, and I am here with Diane. And Diane, I know for a lot of home buyers out there, the question is, what is available these days? And we happen to be here in your Emerson floor plan, which is available here at Echols Farm. So can you tell me a little bit about this floor plan and why people love it so much?
Well, the Emerson is so beautiful. I mean, we are in the South. We do love our porches, and the Emerson has not one, but 2 porches. And it's such a great place to hang out and visit with your neighbors. So not only does the Emerson have a beautiful front porch, but it has a second porch at the back of the home. We can screen that in for you. You can enjoy it for summer evenings, enjoy a meal with your new neighbors and your new friends. When you're ready to come inside from your covered rear porch, you are going to enter into a wonderful kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and this one does not disappoint. It has a huge island, and it's got storage on all 4 sides of the island. Who doesn't love great storage? The kitchen overlooks a separate dining area, and it also overlooks a beautiful great room. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite room in the house. It has the optional stacked stone fireplace and the coffered ceiling, but they add so much wow factor to this beautiful room. Like all Windsong homes, the Emerson floor plan has many features in it that help you age safely in place, and that's our goal for you. You're going to enter from your garage. There will be stepless entry into the home where you'll find wider hallways, wheelchair accessible doors, abundant natural light. The walk-in shower in the owner's suite has a standard bench seat, which is so important for safety.
I know one of the things that sets Echols Farm apart is the clubhouse. So can you
Yes.
talk a little bit about the clubhouse and how that really helps to create community here?
Absolutely. So just like the kitchen is the heart of a home, the clubhouse is the heart of the community. It's where everyone comes together and builds those friendships that are such an important part of the active adult lifestyle. There are activities and just all sorts of ways to get to know one another. So at the end of a day of fun activities in the clubhouse, what better way than to come back to your Emerson floor plan, go into the owner's suite, curl up with a glass of wine and a good book in that bay window area, and just reflect back on how much you are enjoying your new lifestyle.
And Diane, I know that the Emerson floor plan is available right now, so talk a little bit about availability.
We have one more opportunity to have an Emerson this year. That's the only one that we will be able to close for you this year. Other than that, we have 5 more lots that we can sell, but those will have completion dates for next year.
And I understand that phase 2 is upon us, so what's the best way to also maybe find out about phase 2?
Yes. So you can call us at 678-401-2306, or you can visit us online at windsonglife.com. We would love to add you to our interest list for phase 2, but we'd also love to invite you to come out to the community and really understand what the Windsong lifestyle is about.
Well, Diane, thank you so much for being
thank
here
you.
with me today.
Absolutely.
I really enjoyed learning more about this Emerson floor plan.
Of
And the
course.
best way is to experience for yourself. So come and check out Echols Farm by Windsong Properties today.